understanding your personality and becoming more effective. Now we all have personalities, each one is different from the other. So each one has to find their own path. Your path is not his path and his path is not your path. So, from the topic you would understand that what would be our guidelines today. Okay, so before we go into this, let us introduce ourselves quickly so that I know exactly from your voice, talk, at least the way you present your own personality with your name and what you're doing and things like that. Yeah, begin. Subjects, very good. Yes? Okay. Yes? You're a mechanical engineer. Okay. Where are you working?
Just now I'm actually at present doing real estate.
Okay. Yes, sir? Electronic engineering, yeah. Okay, yes? Okay.
My name is Prakash Mambude. I am running one small computer institute.
Mm-hmm.
And I am always look forward regarding personality development. So I can pass on this information to my students.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay. Yes, sir?
I'm Shirish Mangre, mechanical engineer.
Visitor, yeah, very familiar faces. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. That's good. Yes. Okay. And you, madam, your name you said? Neeta. Hey, I'm only a housewife. I'm retired now. I'm only a consultant. You are very great. So never feel I'm only a housewife. The housewife job is the biggest job on earth, I think. Isn't it? So it's how you see yourself. That's very important. If you say I'm nothing, I'm just passing my time, I'm just going to hear lectures, So first of all, what is your perception about yourself as an individual? What am I? Am I Mr. So-and-so? Yes, you are Mr. So-and-so for your family people, for your friends, for your world, for your surroundings. But you are an individual. You are a unique personality by yourself. Now you have grown up from childhood with your various desires, your upbringing from your parents. Your father told you something, do like this, like this, like this. Your mother said, no, this, this, this. And you created your own values, your own thinking pattern, your own perception, and you grew up. You were conditioned. If you go in that room, it's very dark. So you got the conditioning. I must not go in a dark room. It's very dark. Till today, you're carrying those values with you, what your parents put in you. Then you went to school, then you went to college, you met different people, your peers, your friends, different kind of social gatherings, different groups. And you were conditioned again somehow. So there was a confusion in the mind. My parents taught me not to go in a dark room. But people laugh at me when I say I can't go in a dark room. So there's a conflict in your identity. Now that was a simple example of not going in a dark room. Same way some people say, no, you must be very confident. When I say what is confidence, I have to be very confident, but I don't have confidence. I can't drive a car. I can't go alone. I must have somebody with me. I have to speak up. If I don't speak up, people will think I am sitting at the back, I'm a useless person. So I must have confidence. So what is confidence? Confidence is a 7-letter word which says, I can do. Okay? CONFIDENCE. It's a 7-letter word. So what is confidence? Confidence is to do what you want to do. without caring too much about what other people think of you. Half our life we think, वो क्या बोलेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा, क्या मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ, क्या मैं ठीक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Because there's no clarity over here. You need clarity in your mind that I need to do this and I must do it. And what are the steps involved to do it? So first, find out what you want to do. If you ask somebody today, a young college student, what do you want to do in life? Why ask college? Ask a retired man. Okay, you did your consultancy, you finished your 60 years of life. Now what do you want to do? They won't have an answer, many of them. Not all, but many of them won't have an answer. Because we don't know what we want to do. I want to do graduation, uske baad 2 saal masters, after that take up a job, after that maybe go abroad or look out for a job or open my own consultancy, and after that bas retired. Retired bola to kya retired? Means bas thoda spirituality karna hai, thoda apna health ko dekhna hai, that's it. That is what I want to do. My life becomes full, zero. In the end, everything is over. You know, most of us. I am not pinpointing, I may be this myself, but what I mean to say is, what is your personality and why are you here? What do you really want out of your life? That decision power, that individuality, that thinking process, that perception in your mind has to be clear by now. When I say it has to be clear, it doesn't mean it is deadline, so there's no changes, you can't change. No, but what is it that you are looking for? Are you looking for a harmonious family life? You want a good health, you want good money prospects, your retirement area. So all that depends on how you have framed your personality from childhood. Have you made yourself very confident? Are you very fearful? Are you open to meeting new people? Are you open to taking new opinions from other people? Or are you very rigid that this is how I think and I am not open to any changes from the outside world? So if the samne wala bolega ki aisa hona chahiye, you get angry. So what do? Our personality is made up of conflicts and conflicts and conflicts because there's a lot of negative energy in us. Now, a human personality, a human unique individual is by himself an individual identity, which of course parents definitely condition the children, because parents have to condition. We are come through our parents, so we have to have our parents' conditioning. And then we form our negative traits, our positive traits accordingly in the school with our teachers, how we are looked upon. So every stimulus that is created in our life outside us, we either form a negative approach or a positive approach towards it. That's important. Now we form negative approaches and we have dogmas and stigmas that this is the way how things should be. And that's how our negative attitude is brought about. Now because of this negative attitude, every time we have similar kind of perceptual, situations arising in our environment, our attitude is very much determined and we see that situation with that kind of an attitude which is already inbuilt in us. Now to see a situation as a bright new subject to deal with and dealing with the people who are also in that situation is important. Why? Because what you have to do with your unique personality is to start seeing it as a new situation. So let different ideas come in from different sides, and you being open to your different ideas, see the various options that are available to you, and then you can come to a decision. So personality is based on every time reinventing yourself as a new person with every situation. And looking back, in my mind's eye, I can just stand at the back and look at myself that what is it that I am doing now. So you will see that I am giving a lecture. I can see myself behind me. That means there is some kind of a power which is in you, which is working all the time.